Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force reboot, force turn off, also known as a soft reset, your OnePlus 6T. So maybe your phone froze up and you just want to make it turn off and turn back on to see if it continues working normally. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and the power button. So wherever you are, let's say maybe you got stuck here, the phone froze. All right, so volume up and the power button, press them both and continue to hold them until the phone completely turns off and the screen goes black. There you go. Once you see that, you can let go. The phone has been turned off. As you can see, it's not turning on. So what you'll need to do now is just wait a couple seconds, wait maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and then just press the power button and power the phone back on. And there we go, the phone has booted back on. So that was just a quick video on how to force turn off or force reboot your OnePlus 6T. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.